ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಕಿ ರೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುವಂಥ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಾವನೆ ಬರುವಂಥ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಇರೋವಂಥ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ಕಾರಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ತರಬೇತಿ, ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ರೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೃತಕ ಅಥವಾ ಕೃತ್ರಿಮ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು 5 ವಾರಗಳು ನಡೀತವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಾರ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ವಿಜಯದೇವ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮುಖದ ಈ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಕಾಸ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು 3 ದಿವಸ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿವಸ, ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯ ಕಿವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸ್ಕಲ್ಪೇಸ್, ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿಕ್ ಸೈನಸ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಅದರ ನಂತರದ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯ ಧ್ವನಿ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಲ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯ ಅನಸ್ತೀಶಿಯಾ ಅರಿವಳಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅರಿವಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಧ್ವನಿ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೂಲಕ, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ 5 ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರಗಳು ಸತತವಾಗಿ 1 ವಾರದ ನಂತರ 1 ವಾರ ಈ ಕೃತ್ರಿಮ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಥಮ.
JC Road, which has a 250-bedded hospital with state-of-the-art technology, state-of-the-art infrastructure. We have everything under the sun, and we have best of the consultants in Bangalore who are working around the clock to take care of the patients. We provide in bigger this thing when compared to any other hospital in the town.
It gives me pleasure to tell you that we are inaugurating the Trustwell Educational Academy for Mentoring and Simulation, in which we are going to train future surgeons in the art and science of surgical practice. Now, most of the time what happens is the surgeons have to learn on the patients, and thereby they might not be able to learn effectively. So we have created a real-time simulation and a real-time experience for the surgeons as though they are operating in the surgical theatre. For this, our hospital has been benevolent to provide the latest equipment and infrastructure all the way from USA, Europe and various other countries. And also we have imported biological specimens and tissues to be able for the surgeons to practice on that and become better surgeons. What this transpires into is better patient care and better patient outcomes. Many times, if I have a patient, I cannot allow my students to practice on the patient. I would prefer having a similar tissue for them to practice and become good doctors. Mr. Prashant has worked along with our directors, Dr. H.V. Madhusudan sir, Dr. Deepak Haldipur sir, Dr. N.S. Chandrasekhar sir and the entire administration team in the last 6 months to provide this. The speciality of this initiative is we as a private corporate entity have started this initiative to educate doctors and educate surgeons to take it further. Now also what we see most of the time is the medical colleges provide the training, and this is the first ever initiative in India where a private hospital is doing this for our colleagues so that they become better doctors, better clinicians, better surgeons. And now today we are inaugurating this teams, that is the Trustwell Educational Academy for Mentoring and Simulation, and we have already had 5 courses in the line. All the 5 courses have already been booked in a day span as we advertised, and this is what it shows. There is a big demand for training, but there is no available modality for training or no available place for training. And because we have provided all the infrastructure and the biological specimens, you will see in the short video that we will play later, it has become a super hit, and we are excited, and all of us are encouraged to help our fraternity more and thereby help our patients better and the society in general. And this initiative has started from the last 6 months, and we have worked on a lot of paperwork, licenses and many other business proposals and all that. But what we have made sure is we provide the best training for surgeons, best training for doctors in the available facility here. It is comparable to the best across the world. And we have visiting doctors all the way from United Kingdom, Singapore, Nepal, and all over USA and all, who have come to train the doctors on these models. So this course has now become the benchmark for medical and surgical training in our country, and we are thankful for our management at Trustwell Hospitals for the same. We have been running such initiatives. One of them is the Trustwell Foundation, which helps needy patients in crisis requiring surgical support, wherein we support in the charitable means. So this is also one of the initiatives in education, which I feel is the duty of every doctor to take it forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you.